don't
Yeah.
like this. I don't
Mm-mm.
actually like this having my meal in a jiffy or in a hurry. I like to
Mm-mm.
sit peacefully and eat. But today, I have actually not faced such a situation. If I can recall, the car move, and I was really, really tired. And that was the moment I realized, okay, I want to go back home. No, it's too much. I want to go back home because that was not the only. That was not this crankiness went away.
Yeah, I can understand. I also felt the same. Hello, Rupal. How are you?
Hi, Kavita ma'am. I'm doing fantastic. You tell me, how are you?
Yeah, I'm so great. And I'm so happy to see you today. After a long
So
time, we discussed to connect.
it happens, right? It happens, and I am delighted as well to see you. And it really happens whenever I try to fix a session.
Mm.
I don't know how come it just gets delayed, and but somehow I make sure that I have to connect with people whom I have promised,
Yeah,
even though it is late.
yeah. The people, those who are just doing this work alone, they can do this. But as we are working, we cannot connect it the day, the time that we fixed it, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, so it's so cool to meet you again. Yeah,
The
I'm so glad. Okay.
feeling is mutual. I'm delighted. Yes.
Mm, okay.
So, how is everything?
Yeah, it's going well, going good. And how about you?
Things are pretty well. I would say things are going smoothly. Days
Mm,
have been treating me well. Yeah, a
mm-mm,
bit off and on, health issues some days, but part
mm,
and parcel of life. So things are great.
mm-mm. So, did you finish your lunch?
Not yet.
Okay, that you said you were cooking.
I
Yeah.
was cooking and then I am here attending the session. So I would
Mm-mm.
be eating and I have another session at 4 or 4:15. So
Okay.
completing the session, I'll go, I'll have a meal, in 10 minutes in a jiffy and then I'll come back for the session. Though I
Yeah.
don't like this. I don't
Mm-mm.
actually like this having my meal in a jiffy or in a hurry. I like to
Mm-mm.
sit peacefully and eat. But today I am just running against the clock.
Yeah, as it is Sunday, so the people would be trying to connect you as you are free today, right?
Exactly. I've given them time because I was free.
Mm-mm. Yeah, okay, so we'll try to finish this at fast. Okay. So I have few questions to ask you. Like, so you are living in a city or countryside?
I am living in a city.
Okay. So have you ever visited a countryside in your place, like your grandma place or something like that?
Yeah, of course. I come from a countryside, I would say. I come from a village. Okay,
Mm-mm.
my father is from a village. My maternal grandfather, my paternal grandfather, he
Mm-mm.
was from a village. So everyone, my roots are in village. So I used
Mm-mm.
to go there every now and then. Okay,
Mm.
and I love it. But when I think about city life, because I'm living here for past few months in a different city, but of course I was living in a town for all my life. So when I
Mm.
talk about city, the first word that comes to my mind is convenience. Okay,
Mm-mm.
everything is just a few minutes away, right? Shops, hospitals, school, entertainment. So life in this city is fast paced, but it is convenient.
Mm-mm.
So you
Yeah,
don't
of
have to
course.
rush or go somewhere far for basic necessities. That is
Mm.
I really feel. And all because of good opportunities, more opportunities I'm here. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Because a job, I might never, I might have never gotten this job in
Mm.
countryside or in my village. But I was always living in a town. But if I talk about my family, my extended family, they're still living in a village. So
Mm-mm.
I'm very close. My roots are there.
Mm. So how often you visit your country, I mean your village side?
Many a times I went there for Rakhi.
Mm-mm.
So
Okay.
I might go there on Diwali. Okay,
Mm.
so on festivals, on occasions, somebody is coming, so we go there and we meet our people, like I know my father's brothers and all elder brothers and everyone. Everyone is residing there, so we do often go there.
Okay, that's great. So when we are just meeting our family and enjoying without any distraction from the workplace, so it's really an
Mhm.
amazing thing that we have. Yeah. So, how do you feel that when you get that? I mean, when you are living with your family in village and spending the time, how do you feel?
I would say village life is quite peaceful. Okay. You can breathe fresh air, live close to nature, slow down a little because life in the cities it feels like a rat race, right? In the
Mm-mm.
countryside, people still know each other. When you
Mm,
talk about cities, people don't know each other. Okay,
exactly.
you don't know who is your neighbor. You don't know what is going around. Nobody is actually caring for each other. That is what I feel. Okay, but when
Mm,
you go back to smaller towns or these, countryside villages, people know each other. There's a sense of community, I feel. Okay, neighbors
mm-mm.
helping neighbors. Life is simple. You don't need to be rich to be happy. Life is
Mm,
going great.
yeah.
Everyone, but then we have limitations. Hospitals are not there, schools are not there, people are moving to cities for their careers. So I feel everything has its own advantages and disadvantages, be it city, be it countryside life. And but then you have this quality of life. Okay, when
Mm,
you talk about cities, you have a quality of life. I'm not saying
mm-mm.
that you don't have a quality of life in villages or in countryside. You have peace of life. You have
Mm-mm.
calmness. You
Yeah.
have calmness. You
Yeah.
have freedom. You have time. You are not rushing all the time. You are not
Yeah.
racing against the clock. So this is
Yeah.
what I feel.
Yeah.
And my
Of
preference,
course.
if money were not the problem,
Mm-mm.
if if jobs were available, I would have
Mm-mm.
always lived here in the
Mm.
countryside,
Yeah, that's
in my
great.
village, or in my
Yeah.
town. I would say in my town where I have been, born and raised.
Yeah, of course. Every people would feel that we are very peaceful in our village, but the thing is, we cannot survive every day. Like, even for a vehicle, we cannot get the transport facilities and food facilities, the shops, everything we can get easily in the city side, of course.
Yes, exactly.
And also, the pollution is high in city side, you know.
Very in the countryside, in the villages, even in my town, I don't think so. There's a lot of pollution, but yes,
Mm,
when you talk about cities, even if they are, second, two-tier city, three-tier city, see a lot of
mm.
three-tier city also. You'd see a lot of pollution these days.
Mm-mm. And still they are maintaining the trees and they are growing plants, trees and maintaining the agriculture field in the village side. And so that we can get the fresh air and fresh fruits and vegetables to, I mean, to get every day, right? So that is also the
Exactly.
advantage.
Yes, because what I feel is city life can give you comfort and you feel a
Mm-mm.
lot of comfortable there. You feel a lot comfortable there. But then when I talk about countryside life or village life or my small town life, it gives you a sort of contentment. Okay.
Mm-mm.
You're
Mm.
feeling satisfied every
Yeah.
other day with yourself. You are close to your family, you're close to nature. And I don't know, there are many things. There is no constant stress. Okay.
Mm-mm.
You're sitting with your own people, you're having your tea at 4 p.m. every day, and you don't
Yeah.
have to think about a lot of things. Yeah, that is what I feel.
Yeah. So apart from this part, I just want to ask you something funny and something interesting. So, have you ever faced a situation like your outfit or accessory mismatched or missed at home, and you are in the, I mean, celebration, like you came for a celebration to some place, and you just missed it. So, can you imagine? I mean, not imagination. Have you ever faced the situation like that?
Uh, I have actually not faced such a situation, if I can recall. Yes, because I'll tell you, I do not wear a lot of accessories.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I just wear these jhumkas most of the times whenever I'm going outside. So this is one thing. And whenever I have planned that I'll get all dolled up and we'll go outside, so I make sure that I keep everything with me because I do not do it on a daily basis. So when that
Mm-mm.
one day comes, I want to look my best. So I do not
Mm,
want to forget anything. I want to keep everything. And I remember I did forget my wallet at home, like purse, handbag. Okay, I did
mhm,
forget. But then when I went there and I realized, okay, this happened, but okay, it's okay. I had nothing in my purse. So I was a bit calm about it. Okay, no
mm,
problem. done it all. Everything else is on me. The
Yeah.
accessory, I have my beautiful dress, so I really didn't worry about it.
Yeah. So it was manageable at that moment.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Mm-mm. So, when I'm saying the answer for the same question, I can remember that one day I went for a trip with my friends to another place, like one of my friend's place, her mom's place, and we just packed the dress for 2 days, like, yeah, one day, I guess. So we packed everything and then we reached there at night, and then the next morning when I was trying to go for the bathroom to get ready, to get bath, I was looking for the dress and I had the legging and the shawl, but not the top, the kurti I missed. The kurti I missed in my place. So it was the horrible day that I had, but the good thing is my friend and my size is matchable. So we just, changed it. Like, she got a new one and then she shared it to me. So I was wearing on that day. So anyway, I missed my kurti on that day because I was just thinking that this is the dress that we are going to wear and enjoy. So we had that imagination when we are packing, right? So I missed it on that day. So I can remember that. Yeah.
Such instances are a proof that women friendship is precious.
Mm-mm, yeah, of course. Of course. And I have one more. Like, if you have a long journey, then, and you fed up with that journey. So, do you remember any kind of journey like that?
Yes, I do. So
Okay.
I remember I was in Kedarnath last year.
Mm-mm.
The destination was amazing because I was going to Kedarnath, but when I was going tedious because we were stuck in traffic for 5 hours straight.
Mm.
Our vehicle didn't move. Okay, our vehicle didn't move even for 5 kilometers in 5 hours. And we
Mm-mm.
all were tired and we were scattered, like what to do. And the weather was taking, drastic turns. I was like, what is happening? And when you are on, some hilly areas, when you're in Kedarnath or in Uttarakhand, you don't know the weather can change for anything bad at any time.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we were so tired. We had no leg space, nothing in the vehicle, and we were not being able to move our legs. And we just, get down. We just got down of our car and we just moved around. But what to do for 5 hours? Then we just
Mm-mm.
decided that we'll sleep in the car and
Mm.
we don't care now when will the car move. And I was really, really tired. And that was the moment I realized, okay, I want to go back home. Oh, it's too much. I want to go back home because that was not the only traffic jam we had. Okay, that
Mm-mm.
was another one for 5 hours. Before
Mm-mm.
that we already had one. We
Mm.
already faced one. We already suffered. So
Yeah.
I was, fed up. I was like, this is terrible. I want to go home now. But
Yeah.
then I remember why I am here. I wanted to go there. But then we went there and we saw the temple and that
Mm.
first sight. That was precious. That was pious.
Yeah, something happens that we cannot expect and we didn't expect. Yeah, of course, then you might be so hungry at this moment. So I just want to
Exactly,
finish.
and there was nothing to eat. There was nothing actually because we were stuck at a place when we couldn't find anything. And then
Mm-mm.
somehow we walked, there were so many vehicles, in a line.
Mm.
We walked somehow 1 to 2 kilometers and then we found a shop and we ate something and then we felt better. And then
Mm-mm.
this crankiness went away.
Yeah, I can understand. I also felt the same. Something like when I was just thinking that the journey would be like 8 hours, it would take more than, extra 4 hours or something like that. Then we would feel the same, like why this is taking too
Exactly.
long, and especially for the washroom we need to use or something. It is the terrible part that we have, especially for the girls, the women, we face a lot. Yeah.
Exactly. I can totally understand this thing.
Yeah. Okay, so it was a very pleasant talk with you, and I really
Exactly.
enjoyed it. Thank you so much for connecting me.
Thank you, Miss Kavita. Thank you so much. The feeling is mutual. I loved it too. And I loved how you came up with two interesting questions at the end. And it actually made me ponder, okay, something like that has happened. So it was lovely. Thank you so much for inviting me. I had a great time.
Yeah, thank you so much and have a good one. See you. Yeah,
You too.
bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah.